Hello everyone, welcome to Data2 Info. So in today's video, we will see what is the syntax, what is the Jinja2 syntax for if condition as well as for loop. We will see a basic example of both of these. First of all, we will see what is if else condition. So I have written this condition.html in front of you. I will show on home root how it will happen. So I have taken a variable like course and written data science in it. So this could be anything coming from database or in production app. So I have given the interpolation value and interpolation name, so it is course and it is going over here. So in if condition, how it does that happen? We don't have to write double curly braces. We have to write single curly braces with percent symbol, with module symbol on both sides, front side and back side as well. And everything else within it is the same as normal Python code, which is if course double equal to data science, then execute all the statements within it. Else or if else, and if course is equal to machine learning, then only learn Python, or else don't learn anything, just sit home. And remember, whenever you start the if condition, you have to end the if condition because Jinja2 doesn't follow indentation. Since it doesn't follow indentation, it don't know where to end and where to start. So we have to explicitly tell them that this is where you start and this is where you end. So we have to end if condition, right? So we saw that if course is equal to data science, we have to learn mathematics, Python, data analytics. Else if course is equal to machine learning, just learn Python. Else don't learn anything. And if so, this is how if condition would work, right? Now let's just learn about how for loop will look like, right? I have taken a movie list over here, some of the old movies I have over here, and I'm sending these movies as the interpolation value. Coming to loops.html, it's the same as if condition. Just I have to put the if, for loop statement over here. Like for I in or for movies in movies, I have to list it out using movies and end the for loop over here just like if condition. So this is like similar to for loop or if condition statements. We have to write in single curly braces with percent symbol and end it over there. Alright, just let's look at in the browser how it will look like. First, I will show you how if condition look like. This is how the if condition looks. Let's see loops that is right there in unordered list. So this is how we can write loops and if conditions in Jinja2 template. I hope you must have liked it. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.